know, I've been slacking lately on my videos, not my uploads, because I have videos out there, you know, that I've pre-filmed. But I haven't been doing much videos because I kind of regret still pre-filming when now I can edit faster and everything. So it's like annoying because I literally can edit 2 videos now in one day. And now I can upload like right away the video that I filmed today, for example, and upload it tomorrow because I have pre-filmed so many videos. You guys have been loving my vlogs lately. You're like, oh, you're being so productive and you're like filming and stuff, you know, and not forgetting and say like, oh, I forgot to vlog. You guys want a skincare routine, but my skin hasn't, like, I've been trying so many different shit and now I've kept myself stable with the product that I'm currently using. I haven't talked much about it, but it's a good product. As you guys can see, my face is getting much better. And wow, I'm doing my brows on camera. Also, I'm cutting my intros and my outros. I've been getting so much new makeup lately that I have like a stack of things that I want to try for the first time. It's insane. For today's palette, I am using the Carly Bybel palette and the Soft Glam. I love this shade right here, as you guys can see. I have hit pan and I go like on circular motions trying to grab the shade. Oh, I didn't mention, I'm gonna try first impressions today. That's a problem. Okay, today I'm switching back to the Wet n Wild. I haven't used this in a hot minute. I haven't used it. It's even like, it has powder. Okay, today I'm not gonna use a beauty blender. What? I'm actually gonna use this brush. I saw Diana, she used this buffing brush as to blend foundation. So I was like, I'm gonna try it and see it. The moment we've all been waiting for. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. I'm really excited to try this. You know, I'm not gonna lie. So there was a little bit of a fail on this product. When I got it, it was all this, and this was full of highlighter. It was a whole mess. So the shades are Daylight, Skylight, Spotlight, and Candlelight. Pretty champagne type of color. We have a more silvery color. We have a pinkish peachy highlighter. It's like a dark bronzy type of color, I'd say, because this is for more like a dark tone type of girl. I don't know which one to use. I have not swatched it. I haven't touched it. Nada. So we're gonna touch it now. I'm gonna go in with Daylight first. Now that, I don't even have to go like straight in because you can see it from here. You can see this beautiful color. Do you see that? Skylight, more of a silvery color. These are pigmented. Are these similar shades? Because like, wow, I can definitely see it. Now I'm gonna swatch Spotlight. I can barely see it, but it's there, you know. It's like more of, it matches more my skin tone. It's like a gold, yeah, it's like a gold color now that I think about it. On the palette, it looks more of like a peachy gold color. Last but not least, Candlelight. It's a nice pretty color. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender. That's what I've been doing lately. The shade that I'm going in with is Spotlight. If I notice that it's too dark, I'll go in with Daylight. Put it on the highest points of my cheeks, and it definitely did not lift up my texture, so that's a good thing. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brush, the A23 from Anastasia, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Daylight right on top. I jinxed it. It lifted up my texture. Overalls with the whole highlighter. I feel like when you swatch it, they get a little bit chunky. I still can't see that chunkiness on this highlight, but you know, I don't mind when you apply it. It looks amazing. It looks so smooth and everything. I still have that texture going on. Maybe it's this shade only, because when I applied this shade, it didn't get like that at all. I'm gonna keep on trying it more. I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm gonna go back in and try more of these two shades, and like this one even. I suggest you get it. Maybe you don't have, there's people that don't have the same texture as me. Who knows, maybe when you apply it, it will look better on you than it looks on me. It's really good for traveling as well, and for carrying it around in your bag, because it's like, it's big but not giant, you know. Yeah, that will be all. I will see you guys on the next video.